I kind of came up with this idea of lighting it with fire because it was very Centurion. It was like gladiatorial kind of sparring. It was kind of fun in the sense that here we are doing a sci-fi show, but we're lighting it like it was Rome in 900. That's the thing about foundation. It has to look good and high quality and cool, and then hopefully it falls under the umbrella of foundation. The foundation umbrella is massive. We knew it was going to be a naked fight. This was a big thing, obviously. And then we knew we wanted it to be silhouette-y. And then it had all the feel of kind of, you know, it's sword play, it's the blind angels, it's, you know, there was a shield and all of this. So I kind of came up with this idea of lighting it with fire because it was very Centurion. It was like, you know, gladiatorial kind of sparring, this sort of thing. So the idea was that it'd be lit by fire and that on one side the light would be coming in. I kind of auditioned different lights to give different flares into these beautiful lenses we had. We'd ultra vista lenses and anamorphic. So I was trying to get lights that would flare the lenses. And I auditioned, I don't know how many lights to get the proper flare. So I ended up using RE orbiters with very tight, you can change the different lenses on them, very tight lenses, because I found because the pillars were so big, I would need 3 or 4 of them, because as we went around one would hide, you know, let's say light A, and then I'd come into light B, etc., etc. But there were net curtains there. Well, I won't say net curtains, but they were something akin to curtains. And I had scissors in my back pocket because I found I couldn't get the right light into the lens to flare it up unless there was a hole. So I spent my time putting holes in these curtains, trying to just at the right time where the camera would pass to flare the lens.
Think you can breach my order?
In terms of the fight, being honest, Alex had this idea of how the fight would choreograph based on the script, and we photo boarded it way beforehand with, you know, stand-ins, and then we worked with the stunt people of, you know, how we could do certain things, and then obviously we needed to talk to Chris McLean because you know, the head gets sliced off and all of this. So Chris is the amazing visual effects supervisor. So he was talking to us about that. But it was kind of fun in the sense that here we are doing a sci-fi show, but we're lighting it like it was, you know, Rome in 900. So I kind of thought that was a bit tongue in cheek as well in terms of the lighting, because, and that's the thing about foundation, you know, at the end of the day, it just has to look kind of, you know, good and high quality and cool, and then hopefully it falls under the umbrella of foundation. The foundation umbrella is massive.
Demerzel.